thank you, Deepak sir. We thank you, Mr. Dharamveer sir. Thank you, Mr. Madan Pal ji. Thank you, our principals, Himmat sir and Jagdish Raghuvanshi ji. And thank you very much, Mr. Domeshwar Sahu ji, who gave us the wonderful opportunity to such a kind of workshops they organized. And our Prant Sangathan Mantri ji, all the higher authorities of Vidya Bharati. Thank you very much. Namaskar everyone, my name is Gulshan Kumar and right now we have a friend, Mr. Kumar Singh. Kumar Singh, welcome to this podcast and right now it is 28th June 2025. We are here near about 15th June. I think you came here early in the morning?
No, evening. At evening I reached there.
At evening on 15th June?
15th June.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Tanakpur, Uttarakhand.
Okay. So guys, we all are here for learning English communication. And there are so many activities we did, we enjoyed. And right now, we are very thankful to our mentors, Mr. Deepak Sharma, Mr. Dharamveer ji, Mr. Madan Pal ji. They gave us opportunity that we should always don't be hesitate, just speak your English, just try to speak. And this is the only mantra to learn English communication. And right now, I am very thankful that our principal sir, my principal sir, and also Kumarji principal sir gave us opportunity that Gulshan, Kumar, you should go and join this course and enjoy and just upgrade your personal and professional skills. So my friend Kumar, I want to know that what is your journey as a physics teacher and right now where do you find yourself?
At first, I would like to say thanks to our principal sir who gave me this wonderful opportunity to come here. At first, he said to me that Kumar, you should go to in an orientation program of communication skill, and that time I was very shocked. How can I go there? And after when I reached here in Noida at Bhavrao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir, I saw that there are a good communication program held by Vidya Bharati, and we saw that there are two mentors also present who always takes two sessions, and I feel very comfortable to take the lecture here.
So I think a lot of activities are happening here and we enjoyed so many activities. What is your favorite activity in this English communication workshop that actually you are thinking that this was a very good activity?
Yeah, I did every type of activity here, and every activity was very different and memorable activity because it helps us for in our school whenever we teach our subject. I am a teacher of math subject. Whenever I will teach my subject in my school, that time this activity will be very helpful for all the students, and I gains lot of things through this activity, and I also apply this activity in our school.
And we are very thankful to our Kshetriya Sangathan Mantri and Prantiya Sangathan Mantri ji, Domeshwar Sahu ji, that taking the interest English communication workshop should be there in this area. We have to improve. So many teachers are there that they are not able to speak English properly. So this kind of thinking, I am very happy that Vidya Bharati started their working in 90s and right now we are in 2025 and still we are getting so many things. So I am very thankful to the higher authorities of Vidya Bharati who taking this kind of initiatives, and we are enjoying these initiatives. And what did you do yesterday in the mock interview? This was a fantastic activity.
Yeah, I took participated this in this activity in the mock interview. That time I went to orientation classes, and my interview was running there, and I stand up at on the stage, and that time a person who came in front of me and said that I give you a randomly topic about any topic, and that time I don't know how can I speak. After taking the participated in this mock interview, and I gave my best, and I should always try this activity with my student.
That is my question. My favorite, I was thinking that you are learning so many activities.
Yeah.
So you will apply these activities to their students in the classrooms.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you start these activities with English speaking also or physics also?
No, my subject is mathematics. I can also apply these type of activity while I am teaching mathematics in my class. You can say that sir have written many words on the board, and one by one every sir made two teams, and one by one all the member of team go there on the board and touch the word.
Find and touch activity. Okay, yeah, that's a
And
very great activity.
I will also apply this type of activity in my math subject. I put many draw like triangles, circles, and many other chapters of geometry, and that time it will be very helpful, I think so.
So thank you, Kuhar, and this is the very wonderful session with you. And we have another friend,
Okay.
Mr. Dinesh Kumarji.
Thank you, sir, to give me a precious opportunity and say something about this type of orientation program.
Thank you,
Thank
Kumar.
you.
Namaskar, Dinesh ji. How are you?
I am very fine.
So where are you from?
I am from Starganj, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand also.
Okay,
Okay. So what is your experience in this English communication workshop?
English communication experience is very good and fantastic. There are many kinds of activity conducted by my mentor, Mr. Deepak sir, and my other mentor, Dhambi sir.
Okay. So what is your subject?
My subject chemistry.
Chemistry.
Okay, sir.
So how you relate these activities with your chemistry subject in the classroom?
Okay, sir. My types activity conducted, but my classroom is group discussion
Group discussion activity.
and walking and talking.
Walking and talking activity.
And calling and talking.
Calling and
Very
talking.
good activity.
This was a great activity
Okay.
that Dharamveer sir just created on the...
Okay.
Guys, I want to tell you one smartest thing. Our Mantos has so much creative.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, we were in a session and Dharamveer sir started and create a beautiful activity that is called talking while calling.
Calling.
You're talking on
Calling.
and one person, two participants participate with each other
other.
and they try to call
Yeah.
and hesitation and creative and fearless communication.
Okay, sir.
This was very great.
This activity very good and for every teacher by teacher and student. So very good activity.
This was a good experience.
Okay, sir.
So thank you Dinesh ji.
Okay,
You give your
Okay,
precious time.
Okay, thank you.
Namaskar, my best friend Bhagwati Prasad Purohit ji, and I give you a name, and you look like James Franklin. So that's why I call you always James Franklin. So James or Bhagwati, what do you want?
I am okay.
You're okay with both. So James is a very easy to you. So okay, James, just introduce our audience to yourself, please.
Thank you, Gulshan ji. My name Bhagwati Prasad Purohit from Gopeshwar. Professionally, I am a teacher
You're a physics teacher.
of physics in Sri Ramchandra Bhatt Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Gopeshwar, Chamoli. I am teaching since 2010.
Oh,
Yeah. And first of all, I am very thankful to my principal, sir, Mr. Himmat Singh Chauhan. He gave me a wonderful opportunity
I also very thankful to my principal sir also, Mr. Jagdish Raghuvanshi ji, that who gave, Gulshan, you should join this workshop.
to join this workshop.
Thank you, principal sir again. Thank you, sir.
And I am also thankful to our both mentors, Mr. Dharamveer sir and
Deepak
Mr.
sir.
Deepak sir. Both are energetic,
And so much dynamic personalities.
creative.
Both have so many creative powers. They just create the activity like nothing happened.
Yeah.
We are doing something and they create activity.
Activity is just their work of left hand.
I think more than 30 to 35 activities we did in this workshop.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And right now it's
And each and every activities are joyful, learnful, and
21st century skill says that information literacy, media literacy, and technology literacy,
yeah,
and also creative thinking, critical thinking, curiosity, creativity, these all types of activities having these qualities. And right now, we all are very happy to join this kind of such a kind of workshop. So, Bhagwati ji, my question is that how do you implement some activities in your physics, or you should try you want to try with also English communication?
it is possible that we create these activities in our class, and joyful and learnful teaching I doing there.
If I give you a rating scale of this activities or this kind of workshop, 1 to 10, 1 for least and 10 for top. So, what is your rating scale for this session? 1 for least, it means no fun, no activity, no enjoyment, no learning, and the 10 is the top of the moment.
I gave 10 marks,
10 on 10.
10 on 10.
So, this is the great experience to all of us, and also Bhagwati ji, he is also a knowledgeable person, experienced person.
I am very lucky. I am the member of this 28th batch of
English communication
English
orientation
communication
program.
orientation program. There are so many causes. One of them, you are our friends here.
Because the environment of this English communication workshop is very happy to all of us that we have a team and we all participants are supporting each other,
Yeah.
collaborating each other.
All participants are very good person, helpful and skillful, and always appreciate to each other.
They have so many experiences.
Yes.
All the participants who are joining this English workshop, he becomes someone is a English teacher and mathematics and science teacher, IT teachers are also there, me also as an artificial intelligence teacher is also here. So it is a good experience to all of us. So again, we conclude this video and we thank you Deepak sir, we thank you Mr. Dharamveer sir, thank you Mr. Madan Pal ji, thank you our principals Himmat sir and Jagdish Raghuvanshi ji, and thank you very much Mr. Domeshwar Sahu ji, who gave us the wonderful opportunity to such a kind of workshops they organized, and our Pran Sangathan Mantri ji, all the higher authorities of Vidya Bharati. Thank you very much.